Imagine walking into a hospital where AI predicts your illness before symptoms even appear. Diagnoses are delivered in seconds, and surgeries are performed with near-zero error rates. Sounds futuristic? It's not. It's happening right now. And it's changing healthcare forever. In today's video, we're diving deep into how artificial intelligence is not just transforming medicine, it's revolutionizing it from the inside out. But stick around, because in a few minutes, I'll reveal how AI might soon replace a major part of your doctor's job. And it's not what you think. Let's get started. AI can predict diseases before they start. AI algorithms are now capable of analyzing massive amounts of patient data, genetics, lifestyle, medical history, and predicting diseases years before they appear. Take Google's DeepMind, for example. It developed an AI that can predict acute kidney failure 48 hours in advance with 90% accuracy. This means doctors can intervene early, prevent irreversible damage, and save lives. And it doesn't stop there. IBM Watson has identified genetic markers that could signal the onset of breast cancer long before traditional scans would detect anything. So the question isn't whether AI can help, it's how much of our future health depends on it. But what happens when AI starts diagnosing faster than doctors? We'll get to that soon. AI diagnosing diseases faster than doctors. In 2023, an AI model outperformed human radiologists in detecting lung cancer on CT scans. It missed fewer malignant nodules with faster processing time. AI doesn't get tired. It doesn't overlook fine details. And when trained on millions of medical images, it finds patterns that even experts miss. Stanford's ChexNet, an AI trained to detect pneumonia from chest X-rays, beat radiologists in just 14 days of training. This isn't about replacing doctors, it's about enhancing their vision. But if AI is diagnosing illnesses, what role will doctors even play? We'll talk about that next. Robotic AI-assisted surgery is becoming normal. AI-powered robots are now assisting in surgeries that require incredible precision. In some cases, they're even outperforming humans. The Da Vinci surgical system, for example, enables minimally invasive procedures with smaller incisions, less blood loss, and faster recovery times. Controlled by surgeons but guided by AI, these robots respond with millisecond precision. Researchers in Canada trained an AI system to perform soft tissue surgery without human input. And it succeeded, with better consistency than human hands. Surgeons become strategists, AI becomes the scalpel. But here's the twist. AI isn't just treating patients in hospitals, it's monitoring them 24/7, even at home. AI is powering your health at home. Wearable devices like Apple Watch, Fitbit, and Oura Ring are doing more than tracking steps. They're powered by AI to detect arrhythmias, monitor oxygen saturation, and even predict panic attacks using biosignal patterns. Hospitals are now using remote monitoring AI tools to keep tabs on patients after discharge. These tools send alerts when something's wrong before the patient even notices. One hospital in New York reduced ER visits by 30% using this AI-driven follow-up system. You're no longer just a patient. You're part of a continuous AI feedback loop that's rewriting how we experience healthcare. Graphic pop-up. 30% ER visit reduction. Mount Sinai, New York. AI is creating personalized medicine. Every person is unique. So why are treatments often one size fits all? That's where AI steps in. It's now being used to create hyper-personalized treatments based on a patient's DNA, environment, diet, and even gut bacteria. In cancer treatment, AI analyzes thousands of drug combinations and genetic interactions to find the most effective regimen for each patient. This means fewer side effects, faster recoveries, and a medical experience tailored to your biology. But if AI is designing our drugs, who owns the process? Let's talk ethics and risks next. The ethical dilemma and privacy risk. With great power comes serious concerns. AI in healthcare collects enormous amounts of sensitive data. What if it gets into the wrong hands? Who owns your medical data, you or the algorithm? A 2022 survey found 71% of patients worry about how AI handles their health information. There are also risks of algorithmic bias. If AI is trained on biased data, it can make skewed predictions, disproportionately affecting certain ethnic groups. And here's the unsettling part. Some AI systems are so complex, even their creators can't fully explain how they make decisions. This is called the black box problem. Still, despite all this, governments are pouring money into AI healthcare. Why? Because of one powerful promise we're revealing next. AI is making healthcare accessible worldwide. In rural India, AI-powered mobile clinics are diagnosing eye disease in minutes. No specialists required. In Africa, AI bots triage symptoms over WhatsApp, bridging the doctor gap. Telemedicine, driven by AI, is giving people in remote or underserved areas access to care they never had before. The World Health Organization estimates that by 2030, AI could help solve up to 40% of the global shortage of health professionals. This is not just innovation, it's inclusion. AI isn't just transforming healthcare for the rich, it's leveling the playing field globally. AI in drug discovery is slashing development time. Traditionally, developing a new drug takes 10 to 15 years and costs over $2.6 billion. But with AI, that process is being turned on its head. AI platforms like In Silico Medicine and Atomwise are using deep learning to simulate how thousands of compounds might interact with human proteins, all within days, not years. In 2020, Exscientia, an AI-driven pharma company, discovered a promising OCD drug candidate in just 12 months, a process that usually takes 5 years or more. AI accelerates everything, from identifying molecules to predicting side effects. It doesn't replace the scientists, it supercharges them. But what happens when AI creates a life-saving drug and patents it? Who gets the credit, the scientist or the software? Stick around. AI mental health chatbots are becoming therapists. Here's something surprising. Your next therapist might be an AI, and for many, that's a game changer. AI-powered chatbots like Wobot, Wysa, and Replica are using cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT techniques to offer support, guidance, and even emotional regulation tips, available 24/7 without waiting for appointments. In a clinical trial, Wobot reduced symptoms of depression and anxiety in just 2 weeks, all through casual conversations. This is especially powerful in areas with a shortage of therapists, or for people who feel more comfortable opening up to a non-judgmental AI. But here's the twist. Can a machine really understand emotion, or is it just mimicking empathy? In the near future, will mental health care become so AI-driven that human therapists are optional? AI is transforming healthcare cybersecurity. While AI is revolutionizing diagnostics, surgeries, and patient care, it's also quietly working behind the scenes to defend healthcare systems from cyber threats. Hospitals are becoming gold mines for hackers. Think about it. Millions of patient records, insurance details, and even genetic data are stored digitally. A single breach could compromise entire communities. Enter AI-based cybersecurity. Advanced AI models can detect anomalies in real time, flagging suspicious activities before a human even notices. These systems learn from attack patterns and constantly adapt, becoming smarter with each attempted breach. For instance, Darktrace, an AI cybersecurity firm, has prevented ransomware attacks on multiple healthcare networks by identifying subtle irregularities, like a nurse's login used at 3 a.m. from a foreign IP address. But what if AI systems become so powerful in cybersecurity? They start locking out humans to protect the system. What happens when the defender becomes the dictator? The same power that protects us must be kept accountable. So, is AI changing healthcare forever? Absolutely. It's diagnosing earlier, treating smarter, personalizing care, and even reaching the unreachable. But with this power comes a responsibility. to use it ethically, safely, and for the good of all. What do you think? Would you trust an AI to diagnose or even treat you? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video insightful, give it a like, share it with someone curious about the future, and hit that subscribe button for more deep dives into the tech that's shaping our world. Until next time, stay healthy, stay curious.